The Government of South Sudan, through the Ministry of Finance and Economic Planning and the Local Government Board, received support from the World Bank and other bilateral donors to support the preparation and implementation of the Local Governance and Service Delivery Project, or Logoseed. Since its inception in 2013, the project's objective has been to improve local governance and service delivery in participating counties across South Sudan. This is done through financing demand-driven community infrastructure projects, engaging citizens in the planning, implementation, and oversight of local development activities at the Boma, Payam, and county levels, and by strengthening the capabilities of county and state officials to carry out their duties related to financial management, procurement, infrastructure delivery, and environmental and social safeguards based on national standards.
My name is James. I'm the Institutional Strengthening Officer working at the Project Management Unit based in Juba. Basically, we do support two components under the project. The first one is block grants to counties for farm development. And these are funds which are allocated to counties to support funding of small infrastructure projects. We have covered a number of sub-projects ranging from health, education, water, roads, and indeed we are seeing a lot of results that are beneficial to the communities.
Logoseed has thus far supported eligible county governments from 7 former states across the country, including Central Equatoria, Eastern Equatoria, Western Equatoria, Northern Bahr el Ghazal, Western Bahr el Ghazal, Lakes, and Warrap. Remaining states and counties not yet part of the program will be in line for support as soon as security conditions and financing allow. Through its technical assistance delivery partners, including Cowater International, Logoseed has provided practical training to over 400 state and county officials across 7 former states on topics related to planning, budgeting, and financial management, local government procurement, and infrastructure design, appraisal, management, and operations. In addition, over 200 staff of local private contractors have received training from Logoseed on local government procurement procedures in order to best ensure that both sides, government and service providers, understand the rules that must be followed when managing and dispersing public funds. To inform the training delivered by Logoseed technical assistance inputs, 19 technical handbooks, manuals, or user guides have been developed through Logoseed for official adoption and dissemination across the country by the Government of South Sudan and Local Government Board. Logoseed has produced 23 low-cost infrastructure designs that have been created or revised for use by county governments in the construction of critical community projects.
The benefit of this school will bring the children up in the nation for the future. Even the community, they will be happy. They know that their children are educated here in home. So we will give thanks to Logoseed who brought us the concrete, which will not end, will bring most of the children to this school because they know that their exercises will not be spoiled by the rain. So they will shelter there in the classroom where the water will not wet their exercise book.
And finally, Logoseed has enabled the distribution of essential supplies to participating local governments through county starter kits. These kits enable each government to properly conduct their work both within the walls of headquarters as well as throughout their county with respect to infrastructure project management. Eligible local infrastructure projects financed through Logoseed and are implemented in partnership with community members, facilitating partners, and county governments include hand pumps, tanks, dug wells, boreholes, and half-airs. Latrines for public use or in primary healthcare or education facilities, flood protection infrastructure, local roads, footpaths, culverts, and bridges, all built using labor-based methods, public marketplaces, livestock dips, and small-scale community irrigation schemes. To maximize its impact, Logoseed emphasizes a learning-by-doing approach to capacity development, where trainees, including local government officials, are supported in directly applying their new knowledge and skills on the job immediately after formal training. As a result of this approach, new skills gained through Logoseed are already being put to use through the preparation of county budgets, procurement of PIM development grant infrastructure works, and through overseeing the construction and maintenance of these works themselves in collaboration with local contractors and community members.
Logoseed or Cowata, they provided to us capacity building in the financial management. That is, example, budgeting, how to use the financial books in the improvement of the revenue collection, and how to work according to the budget cycle or the budget items. And now, we in the county or the financial office or financial department, they work according to the public financial manual management books or manuals.
When you talk about capacity, enhancing capacity of institutions, it is not a short-term thing. It is definitely a long-term thing. So this project is contributing to a part of this effort. So the challenge, for example, in South Sudan can be addressed over a long period of time. So the project cannot really resolve all the issues that are affecting or that are facing the institutions of local government. So definitely there needs to be more funding injected into these capacity building efforts so that we can reach more counties and we can have more in-depth training.
Since independence or since the Comprehensive Peace Agreement in 2005, there has never been any capacity building, a very comprehensive capacity building for the county or even state personnel. There has been a number of actors under a number of capacity building actors who do not harmonize their strategies. But with Logoseed, you find that the training, the capacity building trainings are on target.
Before the people of Kowata, Logoseed, come in, our people have not knowledge or skills about how to plan for the department. But when we acquire or getting skills from the training given to us by the Kowata, so now we are able to make the plan, how to plan to our departmental offices, and we are able to make the budget, our annual budget, even as you know how as today you are in the procurement training, so now we are able to how to procure goods and services to our people.
Since 2015, up to date, the Logoseed make a good relationship between county and Fayam and Buma. One, the project come to the county, and the county call the Fayam's representative and the top. They give the fund out, like the borehole has been given to Bulubudango, another in the Kole village, which is western Buma, Wulu County. That one is a relationship between Fayam and the county.
When Logoseed came and we were trained, we got changes. So we have been using now new procedures. We have introduced some financial forms. We were not being used, and there were certain processes how revenues were being collected. We got changes. We have introduced forms for collecting local revenue.
Yes, as I am control of accounts before the coming of Logoseed, there is a change. There is a change. We have adopted new things by the hands of Logoseed. They train us how to control money, how to manage financial forms, how to use payments, and how to receive money from local revenues or grants from local from government.
In fact, this management we have now in our place here. I have department, and I have department water here with us. We will go and see it, and we have education with us here, and we have health. These three departments are working with me here in the county. So these people now, we are just cooperating. We are living here in Nakok here, and those who are from Nakok now, they are very happy because there's a center for health, and there's education going well, as you are now building the school from your project.
Now our counties who are now Greater Big River is getting benefit of this trained knowledge that they have. Me, myself, who attended the workshop, we benefit because as politicians, sometimes we get money without following the procedures, but we will abide by these regulations. When there is a need for money, you need to apply, and then they are released on the right channel, and the reasons and the chargeable heading for requests is being taken care of.
As shown by these testimonials from project partners and local government officials and other beneficiaries, Logoseed has empowered local officials to do their jobs more effectively and improve the performance of their counties. Logoseed support has had the unintended benefit of improving collaboration and has also increased county abilities to raise revenue in order to deliver services and build infrastructure that meets the needs of their constituents. As a result of all these changes, the infrastructure now available to local residents and the capacities of local officials will benefit the lives of residents and participating communities across South Sudan well into the future.
Since independence, or since the Comprehensive Peace Agreement in 2005, there has never been any capacity building, a very comprehensive capacity building in the county or even state personnel. There has been a number of actors under a number of capacity building actors who do not harmonize their strategies. But with Logoseed, you find that the training, the capacity building trainings are on target.